Hello friends, it's me again, Joni. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you my recent flight from Melbourne to Bangkok, Thailand via Thai Airways. So I'm here at Atula Marine Airport. So dropped by some tourist refund scheme for the stuff I bought and some freshen up for free at duty free. So let's go to the boarding gate. The flight is not that full, which is cool. And only a few minutes of waiting and it's already boarding time. So far, it's on time and organized. The flight will be around 10 in the morning and the boarding time is at 9:45. So we're heading inside the Airbus now. So this is their business class cabin and this is my seat. Just kidding, I wish. So this is my seat, original seat. We're going to the economy class now. So there are seats that are reserved in the front, which I think you're gonna pay for it. So this is my seat, my real seat. It's economy class. I'm gonna share with you why it feels like business class in a while. So you're gonna have this headphone, not just the usual earphone that you have in some of the economy class. The legroom, it's so spacious and they have this footrest as well, which is very cool.
They have a footrest.
So far it's comfortable, everything is going well. They have this comfy pillow as well and some blanket. This will be an 8 hours and a half flight, so I can't wait to use all of these goodies. They have USB port. This is the remote for the entertainment. And there's a hook. And underneath the seats, there's power plugs. Nice. And it's a universal power plug, so you can use any of the adapters that you have. The flight is not full, so I transferred to another row. I have the entire row with me. I seated near the window. This is Boeing 777-300ER, by the way. So far, this is my first flight for this year that is not delayed. It's on time and the service is so efficient. We are about to take off, which is 10 minutes early. So far, this is the first. As I said, this is the first flight, my first flight this year that is not delayed. It's absolutely on time, and actually, it's a bit early. So they have the usual movies, new ones, and some of the classic ones. And see you in 2 weeks, Melbourne. Favorite. This is the first out of 2 meal. I think this is chicken with rice, some veggies. There's bread, salmon, and now the activity that I am really good at, eating. This one is actually good, coleslaw with salmon. Can I ask one of these again? And love it when they give the entire can. I asked for Coke Zero, they give the entire can with a cap with ice on it. Finish. Now let's check the toilet. Toilet, just the usual one. I still have 7 hours more to go before we arrive in Bangkok, so basically we're still here in Australia. the land of down under. We also have this full body mirror. What's this? Divana. Now this is my entire row. I'm setting it up like a business class cabin. So I have my 3 pillows and the blanket. Now I'm ready to set it up for me to have a good snooze in my entire 8 hours. See, it's like business class already. Stretching my feet. At the count of 3, we're gonna sleep. It's super comfy and I'm just watching a movie, and any minute now I'm gonna fall asleep. That's Australia. We're leaving the land down under. So I'm watching The Conjuring. The devil made me do it. It's not a good thing to watch on the plane. I think I yelled like twice or thrice. Forgive me, neighbors, for the noise that I have created. Now it's the second meal. Love it. More foods, more happiness. So we have, what do we have? Alright, for the second meal we have beef with noodles, chicken noodles, some fruits, and I don't know what's this, Manila Beach or after 8 hours and a half, we're here in Bangkok, Thailand. Welcome to Bangkok. Thank you. Overall, I really had a good time. Thai Airways. I had a good sleep. The foods are amazing. I feel so full. I feel so relaxed, and I'm ready to go out and about and explore Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok. I can feel the warm weather even from here. Cool. If you like this video and I want to know more about the airplanes that I reviewed and also my travel vlogs in the countries that I have visited, please do like and subscribe. It will help me much, and also it will help your friends who are planning to go to Bangkok, and you as well if you plan to go to Bangkok and fly with Thai Airways. So I'm gonna share with you soon in my incoming videos my trip to Bangkok, Cambodia, Angkor Wat, and Vietnam. So that's me, that's my name.
Second one.
I have a pickup.
Thank you.